If you're in the market for a new laptop, well, you can't go wrong with the 2020 MacBook Air. Equipped with Apple's powerful M1 chip, this laptop is built for speed and efficiency. The 13-inch Retina display provides a stunning visual experience. While 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of solid-state drive are going to ensure that you have ample space to store all of your files, photos, and videos. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone looking for a top-of-the-line laptop, the 2020 MacBook Air is an excellent choice. Let's talk about some of the great features. We got the M1 chip inside here. The M1 is Apple's own custom design processor made to provide lightning fast performance and efficient energy usage. With this chip, the MacBook Air is capable of handling demanding tasks with ease. You got your 13-inch Retina display up here, which provides an immersive visual experience with sharp images and vibrant colors, as you can see right here. Whether you're working on a project, streaming a movie, or just browsing the web, you are gonna appreciate the beauty of this display. It wants to know my language. You got 8 gigs of RAM in here, and the MacBook Air can handle multiple... Oh!
Press the return key.
It's talking to me. Return. Go. Go. Anyway, inside you also have 256 gigs of solid-state storage. The MacBook Air comes with this storage. It's going to be fast, lightning fast when you're trying to access your files. As a MacBook Air...
It's a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
I'd rather turn it
If you would like to
off.
learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac,
Okay.
press the Escape key.
As a MacBook Air owner, I love using my laptop for everything from work to play. One of my favorite uses for my MacBooks are video editing, and the M1 chip and 8 gigs of RAM make that a breeze to work with on multiple video and audio files at the same time without slowing down. You're going to see that all here on the 13-inch Retina display. It's going to blow your socks off. In conclusion, the 2020 MacBook Air is a top-notch laptop that offers a combination of performance, versatility, and design. Its powerful M1 chip and compact design are built to handle a wide range of tasks with ease. 13-inch Retina displays a visual feast for the eyes, making it a great choice for media consumption and creative artwork. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply someone who appreciates a well-made laptop, the MacBook Air is a solid choice.